this video tutorial, I want to show you how memefi spin, how it works, and how you can use all your spins at once. If you have up to 800 spins, or you have even more than that, and you are thinking about how to use them, now watch this video. So when you open your memefi app, you click on this place, spin. When you click on it, now you are seeing 91 here. When you look here, you will see spin times 1. You just click on it once, you see it have increased to spin times 2. Increase it, spin times 3. Increase it again, spin times 5. Increase, spin times 10. So if I click on spin, you see it have reduced it by 10. So this is the total of what I got. So let's say you have up to 800 and something. Mine was up to 800 and something before I reduced it. So increase it, spin, click on it again, spin times 50. As you can see, is now 50 here. This place is now 50. So if I should click on spin, it will reduce it. It will remove 50 immediately. So if you have, let's say, up to 300, you click spin times, okay, spin times 150. Now because I don't have up to 150 here, so that's why here is showing this way. So if I reduce it to spin times 50, let's do it, increase it, spin times 50, then you click on spin, click on spin. So this is it. The total of everything I got is 857,500. So it have added to this. I will do it again, spin times 50, click on this. So this is it. Then I'll do the remaining one, reduce it by 3. So this is how to use all your spins. Spin. So this is how it works. As you can see, I've finished all my spins just within some seconds. It doesn't waste time. So this is how you can use your spin very fast. Now the more you use the spin, the more you accumulate more coins. So go and make use of those skins to pack as many coins as you can. Now do not forget to follow, like, and share this video. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Bye.